So I've put together the IKEA cabinets and the tops, and they're just going to look so awesome. So here we are, because I've put the things on the top. So these are actual cabinets, but that's not the best bit, because look, it's beautiful pieces of wood, and then I've just put this curtain rail underneath, so glued it on the side. These beautiful pieces of wood. These will be the boxes. There'll be one in every box, and there'll be shoe spaces. There'll be shoe boxes here. But these pieces are on the top with the bark, and there's another hanging rail in there. Beautiful pieces of wood. Look at that. That is stunning. It's two pieces of wood, but it's kind of got that. It's angled up, so it's got that seamless look. Kind of comes in. Beautiful, stunning. How awesome is that? So this will be a bookshelf on the top. How awesome is that? Looks amazing. Little custom tweak from the IKEA purchase. But it's worth it. This top bit is just worth it.